Welcome to the virtual reality experience for the Bosch Dishwasher. See all those dirty dishes? Let's go inside the dishwasher and see how they're cleaned. Can you hear that? That's the sound of the Bosch Dishwasher's powerful water jets cleaning your dishes. Let's step back out for a minute. Can you hear the difference? The Bosch Dishwasher's brushless motor technology and multi-layer insulation is designed to limit vibrations. It is so quiet that you won't even realize it's running. Now, let's head back. Are the dishwashing tablets in your machine doing the best job that they can? The Bosch Dishwasher Dosage Assist ensures that the tablet drops in the special tray located at the front of the top basket at exactly the right time. It completely dissolves over a single wash, reaching all dishes and ensuring your dishes are brilliantly cleaned. To top it all off, the Bosch Dishwasher does all this with its revolutionary active water system that uses every single drop of water to the maximum. This gives you brilliant results with low energy and water consumption. And just like that, we're all done. Your dishes are now sparkling clean and dry in just 60 minutes. World's #1 dishwasher brand, Bosch, invented for life.